Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make payment for income tax. Start by locating your tax notice and due date, then decide if you will pay online, by phone, check, or bank transfer. Enter accurate ID and payment details to avoid delays, double-check amounts, and save confirmation numbers. If you use a tax preparer, confirm their authorization and retain a copy for your records and future reference. In this video, I will explain how to make payment for income tax. Use online portals for fast processing, choose direct debit for recurring payments, or pay by phone when available. If mailing a check, allow extra days for postal delivery and note the payment date on your form. Keep screenshots or mailed proof so you can show payment if a discrepancy arises, and always verify account numbers before submitting. In this video, I will explain how to make payment for income tax. Quick recommendation: when you are hunting for forms and bank details, sip from the Oala water bottle to stay focused and avoid spills on paperwork. It fits cup holders and keeps water cool. If you like this tip in the video, please subscribe and like for more helpful guides, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make payment for income tax. Always include your tax ID, correct tax year, and the form number so the payment posts correctly. Add notes for estimated taxes or penalties if applicable, and confirm the breakdown matches your records. This clarity prevents misapplied funds and reduces follow-up notices, making future filings smoother and audits less likely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.